In this video, I'll write 5 first draft listing descriptions in 5 minutes. Normally, this takes me 90 minutes per listing. Same prompt, 5 different properties, 5 different drafts. Stay through the end, and you can copy the prompt. Quick disclaimer. This is an educational productivity demo, not professional advice. The data on screen is fictional sample data. Real estate rules vary by country and state. Check your broker and local regulations before using any of this with real clients. Some tool links are affiliate. Full disclosure in the description. Here's the prompt I use. I keep it saved in a Google document honestly. Took me 3 tries last week to get the structure right. The trick is asking for 3 tone variations per property, so you can pick the one that fits the listing. Human_signal, B. Watch what happens when I skip the fair housing line. I did that on my first try, and the model gave me phrasing I'd never put in a real listing. Don't skip this step. Human_signal, E. Five drafts, 5 minutes. I was going to use a paid copywriting tool last quarter, but ChatGPT handled this faster once I locked the prompt. Always review for fair housing compliance and your local MLS rules before publishing. Human_signal, D. Full prompt is in the description. Subscribe for 1 practical AI workflow per video. See you Tuesday.